Yeah, today's video is about the double club swing, and our model today is Ryan, and we've got two clubs, 4.5 kilos each. Ryan is used to swinging the 16 kilo kettlebell for 50 reps, so this is not difficult for him. I'm using him as the model because the audio is better that way. And anyway, this is a pretty easy exercise to learn. It teaches you the hip hinge. So we'll demonstrate a few from the side. The two main corrections that I had to give him before the before he started swinging, or no, the first set that we tried was, one was the position of the neck, and the other was the how far he has to let go of the elbow when he bends forward. So you can start swinging. Yeah. So if you notice, he's messing up the position of the neck right now. You do it properly. Do it. It's okay. Yeah. So I had asked him not to fix his gaze on a particular point. If he fixes his gaze at a particular point, what happens is his eyes will follow, and therefore his head will follow, but his body will move. So he's doing that again. So the neck and the rest of the spine has to be maintained in this straight line. So if you fix your eye on a particular point, your head and neck will move separately from the body, which is a recipe for neck pain. So this is the swing. Now I want you to show the other mistake that you made with the arm position. Yeah. So this is the wrong way to do it. Yeah, so his hands are going way behind his hips. The hand, so now you can switch back to the proper way. So the arms and the chest need to be in line. Yeah. Watch your neck and head. Okay, good. Yeah, so this is it. So this is a very easy exercise. It's a useful exercise to do because it teaches you the hip hinge. It's very difficult to get people to learn the hip hinge with the kettlebell swing, but with a club swing, it's pretty easy to train. So this was the exercise I wanted to demonstrate, and give it a shot. And this is a foundational movement that you need to do. Now if I can get you to turn this way and face me and then do the same exercise so that they can see it from the front. You can bend a little more forward actually. Yeah. But watch your head and neck. You made that mistake again. Yeah, that's enough. Thanks.